Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail, and this is Fold With Me, episode 3. I did do a couple batches between this and the last video, but yeah, we're back on it. So here's episode 3. So we got our Adams Mega Drying Towel. Favorite towel ever, not gonna lie. It was starting to smell a little bit, so we had to wash it, and it wasn't drying as good anymore, so now we got it back nice and clean. And you guys have been watching other videos, you guys have been seeing the C7R Corvette. It's behind me. So we're doing a big job on that. So we have this car for about a week now. Been like working on it here and there between jobs. We have a bunch of stuff going on. So the car should be done hopefully by Wednesday this week. Today's Monday. All what we have left, paint protection film over the whole vehicle. So we have a lot left. We did the 2 doors already, and we did the carbon fiber mirrors and the window tint and the windshield tint. All that's already done. Got the paint corrected. So today we're just gonna be laying PPF all day. So it's gonna be fun. We also have a Evo 9 that we're gonna be washing and doing interior detail today. Interior is not too bad, it just needs some love. And let's see. What we're going to talk about this week. It's really cold, let me tell you. I'm not going to lie, it's been really cold. With the Corvette, it's a C7R edition. It's a Z06. Very, very nice car. Sounds great. And let's see, what did we do last week? Last week we did a lot of window tints. So we tinted brand new Expedition, or Explorer. We did the C-Max Ford with all those small triangle windows. That was fun. And we also did a Honda Accord, Honda Civic, and I feel like I'm forgetting stuff. But whatever, guys. Let's just keep going into Fold With Me. Ooh. So let's talk about some best tool of the week. So I like yellow turbos a lot for window tinting, PPF. They're really flexible, very good product. Really enjoy them, but I'm not gonna lie. The PPF Hornet, I fell in love with this with the PPF last week. Works really good. So check them out, PPF, Fusion, Hornet. Good stuff. Worst tool of the week, DeWalt heat gun. Woo! Still love it. I just really wish it had more power, but it's all good. And for a compound on the Corvette, we ended up using the D300 from Meguiar's. Worked really good. Got a lot of the correction, did pretty much everything you needed to do, get all the swirls and light scratches out. Some deeper scratches that require more attention, which we got to do that today before we PPF that area. So we'll get that all taken care of. We have Clear Cut from CarPro coming in today. So I'll let you know, maybe do a product review on that product. We'll see how it works. I like CarPro a lot. I haven't used their Clear Cut yet, so we're gonna find out, see how good it works. What problems did I run into this week? So I got a couple problems. So I have a GCC plotter, right? It's a Jaguar V8LX, and it's a 40-inch. And for some odd reason, it doesn't want to cut my Supreme window film from SolarGuard nicely. Like, it's doing great on the ceramic. I changed my blades out 25 and 45. But on the Supreme, it just doesn't get a clean cut all the way through. It's like, like 90% of the window, when you pull the template back or you de-weed it, comes out good, and then that last 10%, it's like it didn't even cut through it. And you got a hand cut, cleaning it up, just really annoying. So, gotta focus on that more and see what's going on with that. I'm pretty sure I need to change my, what is that called? It's like the little pad that the needle cuts on. I think I gotta change it. Because when I first got the plotter, I really didn't know how to adjust everything. And I felt like, we were digging right through the film a bunch of times in the beginning. So it's probably messed up my little, it's like the little blade guard on the bottom that cuts on top. So we're going to try to change that out. I have another one from Roland, so we'll probably mess around with that and see how that works. These are the Home Depot towels, the HDX, the ones I really like to use for window tint. Lint-free, great towel. You guys need to check them out. Super thin, so when you're trying to squeegee down the side of the window and window tint, like it's not a thick towel, so it's not going to catch the window tint. It's really nice. These are pretty good. Oh, what we got this week, we got our Soak Shield in from Soak Shield. We got the 3-pack, so you have 3 different sizes. And if you don't know what a Soak Shield is, it's a microfiber rope. You shove it into the windshield gasket at the bottom. So when you're tinting the front windshield, the water doesn't run down into the dash. It catches it before it goes all the way down. It's like a must on some vehicles, you know. I know you're supposed to use them for sure on Range Rovers, Teslas for sure. Dodge has a couple issues with that. So you make sure on your Ram 1500s, you can't be letting all that water go down. You really got to control it. So I'll be doing a product review on that video shortly, and that'll be fun. I really enjoy that product. Oh, I got some new yellow turbos. I did get that. You guys want to see that? Let me go grab it. So bam! Look at these guys. So we got medium and then we got firm. This is medium. This is more firm. We just got to cut them to however we want. So that's gonna be cool. It's gonna be fun to cut. It's pretty thick rubber, so it's never fun to cut them. So tinting the windows on the Corvette, not too bad, not too bad. You do have to remove that door gasket for sure. If you don't remove that gasket, you're gonna have a lot of issues, a lot of fingers coming up, and it's just not gonna be fun. You're just gonna be fighting them the whole time. Even if you do a great job shrinking the film before you lay it down, it's super beneficial to remove that gasket when you tint the window. You don't have to remove the whole door panel to remove that gasket. It's just like any other GM vehicle. You can just pry the top, pop the clips, pull the gasket out. So very simple. The door panels are super tight, so they have really big, strong clips in there. So you kind of want to think about that too, because they're pretty gnarly. And we did ceramic tint, Vortex IR, Solar Guard. We did the sides on 25, the windshield's on 70% ultralight, and then the back windows are on 5% ceramic. So came out really nice, looks really clean. We did the APR carbon fiber mirrors. Those are not fun to install, let me tell you. You gotta take off door panel, remove the speaker, get the 3 bolts out for the mirror, and then once you get the mirror out and you take the harness out from the mirror, then you gotta disassemble the housing in the mirror. And that's not a fun job. It's very tedious, very time consuming. Let me tell you. Thank God, I'm just saying, APR did a great job on instructions though. They give you a diagram, it's like 12 pages, picture by picture, what the steps are, what you gotta do. The only one that's probably the hardest part about taking the mirror part and the housing off is popping out the mirror itself. It's held on by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 clips, and you gotta pry them off the back of the motor. That was a little sketchy. Especially when you're dealing with a mirror, you know, you don't want to break it, you don't want to put too much pressure, you don't want to break the clips. So definitely take your time when you're doing that. If you guys do that, if you have a Corvette, or if you're thinking about doing it for a customer, popping the mirror off is pretty intense. So I think next on the Corvette, we're going to be doing APR carbon fiber everywhere. We're going to do the diffuser, the wing probably, all the scoops, everything. Vents, everything's going to be carbon fiber. As far as PPF goes right now, we are PPFing everything on the vehicle we can. So all templates we're using. So it's going to be really cool. And we have 2 roofs. So we're going to be PPFing one roof, and then we're going to PPF the next roof. So that's going to be fun. And we are just about done folding towels today. Yeah! So it looks like we went from 27 minutes to 17 minutes. And now this one's probably gonna be about, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe? We're gonna try getting these in and out faster. We got a lot to do at the shop. When we were doing the Explorer window tint, we had a window tint on it, exterior detail, a little 9-month sealant. And then we also had a 2019 Kia Telluride in for exterior detail, for the sealant too. Very nice car. This Kia Telluride is really clean inside, let me tell you. And let me know what you guys think. The video's gonna be up real soon, real quick. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching. It's Mark with M2M Detail. Mark out. Please subscribe.